The human body contains 206 bones, and they make up the body's skeleton. Bones are living tissue. As such, they are constantly going through a cycle of renewal. The imbalance between bone formation and bone resorption will lead to different diseases, such as osteoporosis and osteogenesis imperfecta. Moreover, when there is an uncontrolled growth of cells inside the bone tumors occur, which may eventually lead to bone cancer. Professor Liu Aiping and Professor Zhang Ge of the School of Chinese Medicine of HKBU have conducted different bone researches with high recognition.
Under microgravity, bone loss is several times faster than on Earth. In our experiment, we had investigated the effect of scarcity gene on bone formation under microgravity conditions in space. We hope that this study can lead to the formulation of a set of protective measures and treatment strategies, as well as the discovery of new drugs to prevent or treat bone loss resulting from space travel. It could also serve as reference for the development of healthcare and therapeutics for the aging population.
Apart from the Space Life Science Project, Professor Zhang and his team have also developed a new drug, which received the FDA Orphan Drug Designation, a specific legislation designed to promote development of treatments for rare diseases. It is the first time a drug in Hong Kong has been granted Orphan Drug Designation by the US FDA.
We have successfully developed a novel Aptamer for treatment of osteogenesis imperfecta, which is also known as brittle bone disease. Aptamers are single-stranded DNA or RNA molecules that can fold into unique three-dimensional conformations. Then, aptamers bind to the targets with high binding specificity and affinity. We have screened and optimized a new class of nucleic acid aptamer against sclerostin protein. Sclerostin is a negative regulator of bone formation. The selected aptamer can bind to sclerostin and inhibit its activity. Therefore, bone formation could be promoted.
In addition to the applications in orthopedics and bone research, the Aptamer-based technology could also be used in other fields, such as cancer diagnosis and treatment. One of the patents of Professor Zhang is about an invention that combines a conventional anti-cancer drug, triptolide, with aptamers. This modification could improve the drug's performance in targeting cancer cells. The new drug could have strong anti-cancer activity, low toxicity and side effects, good water solubility, and bioavailability. An Aptamer research project led by Professor Liu has been awarded a grant of 50 million Hong Kong dollars from the Theme-Based Research Scheme 2020 and 2021 of the Research Grants Council.
Aptamers are promising agents in both diagnostic and therapeutic applications. We have formed a great collaborating team with top scientists in this field and established state-of-the-art technologies, with research outcome being published in high-end journals. Recently, our Aptamer research project has been awarded a grant of 15 million Hong Kong dollar from the Theme-Based Research Scheme 2020-21 of the Research Grants Council of Hong Kong. We have developed aptamers for targeting osteosarcoma and pancreatic cancer cells. We will keep developing highly specific aptamers for the diagnosis and the treatment of cancers. We hope to promote molecular insight and translational theranostics of aptamers, allowing Hong Kong to become the world-leading center for aptamer research.